So this is gonna be a posterior or back of the shoulder stretch, a capsule stretch. A lot of the range of motions that people have trouble with is coming up from behind, and that's gonna be due to a tight shoulder on the back side. So the key here is we wanna make sure first and foremost, we don't have pinching in the top of the shoulder or the front of the shoulder. You're gonna put the back side of your elbow up against the wall, and the goal here is to try to get the back side of your arm to the wall while also trying to keep my chest or my sternum pointing towards the wall, or even better yet, turning to the left in this direction. So as I start here, I'm gonna lean in and I'm trying to turn my torso this way while also leaning this towards the wall. Okay, so we should feel a good deep stretch on the back side. Now this one is very easy to piss off the shoulder. More intense is not necessarily better. You being consistent every day and getting into that backside is gonna pay off more, okay? So from this side, you're gonna see as I start here, I'm gonna actually try to turn my torso as I lean into that backside, and then deepen that stretch as I lean in a little bit more, okay? I cannot overemphasize, more intense is not better. More consistent daily is what's gonna give you results. What we see is typically a 25 to 50% improvement in range of motion after just doing one set. So imagine what weeks of doing this is going to be able to offer you.